name is Raphael Riefel and I work for the company German RepRap. We are a manufacturer of 3D printers using the FDM or FFF technology since 5 years now, and we focus on the industrial use of our printers. We saw that the market has a demand of printing large prototypes, and there's no machine like this on the market so far. So what we did in the last 1.5 years, we developed a printer with a massive building space called the X1000, and we're going to show it to the public within the next month. And we are pretty confident that this is going to be our new top-selling machine. There can be different applications used on this. Basically, it's made for big prototypes because it's a PLA-based printer. And the applications can be in the automotive as well as other branches, such as everywhere where people don't want to spare parts in several pieces and print them on smaller machines. Now they can do it at one piece, reduce the cost and reduce the time for that. We see, especially when we go abroad and our international customers, that Made in Germany still stands for quality in engineering, and we are quite proud of that because there's also not any other German manufacturer at our size. So yeah, it still stands for quality, and we're still looking to improve that. Our machine has its own unique selling point. We have smaller machines which have features that other machines don't have, such as the X400, which has now a new extruder technology which can produce new materials such as carbon-based materials or flexible materials as the TPU here. And there is more to come. We are developing new materials that can replace ABS, for example, in nearly future to make it easy to print these materials without having the problems that ABS causes. I think there's a shift can be seen now from prototyping, because most of the machines are able now to produce very nice prototypes in high quality, such as PLA-based prototypes. And I think now there's a shift when it comes to more applications that can be used as an end product or as a tool or as part of any other product. So what we see now is new materials allow new applications, and we are not only prototyping anymore. What we do now is rapid tooling, rapid manufacturing, also with plastics used on the FDM printers. We have new materials coming back now. I cannot tell everything about it, but there's going to be new materials very soon. Also a new machine that now we have our X400 machine developed and constantly upgraded since 3 years now. It's our most sold product, and now it's time that we're going to introduce in the beginning of next year a new X400 with new features on it based on the experience of the last 3 years, the demands of the industry, and we're going to announce that in the beginning of the next year.